So another topic that is called files in C programming. Files is used to store huge data. That means files is used to store data memory in a permanently. So C provides multiple file management functions like creations, deletions, opening, reading, writing files and closing a file. So opening file, closing file, reading file and writing file, multiple functions available in a C programming. This file is used to store relevant data in a file handling. So C is used to manipulate the data. So normally in C programming language we have two types of file, like first one that is called a binary file and second one that is called a text file. So binary have the extension of .bin and text file have extension of .txt. So normally text file is contains data in a form of ASCII character and generally used to store stream of characters. Each line a text file ends with a new line that is called in a /n and it can be read or written by any text editor. Second one that is called is a binary file. So binary file contains the binary form like zeros and ones instead of ASCII character. There certain data can be stored in a similar manner. How can be stored in a main memory? That means binary files can be created only form of within program. Their contents can only be read by a programmer. So more security, they are not easily readable. So normally that are the two types of file. So C file operation like creating a file, opening a file, reading a file, moving a file, new file, then text file. So that are the number of files functions. So in that fopen, fclose and fgets and fsets that are printf that are the file handling operations in file programming. So another one, normally types of files in like file.c, file.h, then another one main.c, that are the files. So file.c source file will contain the functions and definitions. The file.h is a header file will contain the function declaration with have definition in a file.c source file. Then third one that is called now main.c, main source file that works with contain complete code and access the functions which are declared to the file.h header files. So normally add.c is my add.c file, that is in that one function will be created, that is addition function with the arguments of I and j, and that argument will be the started the body, then argument in total variable, then total variable creating the addition of two variable, that is I and j, and returning the total to the that addition function. Next one add.h, that is header file. So if def add h include, and then second one hash define the add h included, and in that addition function with the providing the two argument I and j, and end if dot with add dot h file. Third one that is main file, that is main.c file. So hash include stdio is my header file, then in hash include double quote add dot h, and then int main in total number, total is my variable, total providing the function with addition calling function calling, that is addition is my function to calling with the two values, the 10 comma 2, that is two parameter value x I and j. Then print total of %d and /n, the total will be provided as a 30, then return statement, then output will be shows in a 30. Next one multiple file compilations. So that are the first one hash include stdio.h and hash define as a b and if def as a. So in main function we can print the hello world, and then end if statement, then if def has b, and then another main function that is can be print hello India. So normally another one end with the end if. So firstly if def will a is will started and close here, and then second one if def b is starting here and closing here, that are the two multiple file compilations. So header files in a C programming language is another concept. So normally header file is called is also preprocessed statement. Header files extension with .h and which contains the C function declarations and macros definition to be shared between the several source files. So there are the two types of header files, that files can be programmer writes and file that comes with your compiler. So compiler is a source code translate into machine code. So normally hash include in the preprocessor directives and is used to include the header files with extension of .h and then in the program. So basically list of the header files that are stdio.h, console input output.h, standard library.h, standard math.h mathematical library, string.h, string function library, and error.h. So first one, that is input output library, your console input output library, then another one standard library, then another one math library, then string library, and then error.h library. So first one, stdio.h header file, that is standard input output header file. It is used to perform input output operation using the functions like scanf, printf, etc. So that are the printing statement, we using the printf statement, and getting the user input from the user, that is scanf statement. The second one, console input output header file, so that can be C header used to mostly MS docs compiler to provide the console input output. These header declare several useful library and function to perform the stream, and that is IO stream, input output output stream from the programmer. Third one, that is called stdlib, that is called standard library function, that is provide the number of functions of like memory locations. So normally it also is standard library function of programming language. It declare various utility functions for convergence of memory allocations like malloc, calloc, reloc, and free, and similar to use cases. So syntax is hash include stdlib.h header file. Like next one, that is math.h, that are a mathematical perform the mathematical operation like logarithm, power, square root, another one like sine, cos, theta, some of the examples of mathematical library functions. So in that I am taking the two library, standard.h and then math.h. So next one, double number, that is my variable, another square root is my another variable. So enter the number from the user input, then another root is equal to square root function will be from the header file of math.h, and get the square root of that user input, get it number. So square root of percentage d 2 long float, and 2 long float will be number square root. So I am providing the number of like 2, then get the square root of the 2 from the function of sqrt. Another one, next that is string.h header file. It is used to perform various functions like functions or functionalities related to the string manipulations like string length, string compare, string copy, string concatenate, string upper, string lower, string reverse. That are the number of string function provided by the included in string.h header file. So here that I am providing the one program. So the char alphabet ABCD up to Z. So print percentage d string length of that alphabet, that are the 26 alphabet will be shown in here from the function of string length function. Next one, error.h header file. Error.h header file will be providing the C language does not provide any direct support for error handling. So however, the few methods and variables define an error.h header file. It can be used to point of using return statement in a function, that is the syntax as hash include error.h header file. So that are my number of types of header files included in the file concept. So that's all it.